Judge gives mother huge reality check after she stalled dad's visitations all year.
I'm done right now. It sounds like you're doing what you need to do, but you're doing it at the very last possible moment after the deadline. I could have made a ruling that very day, and I gave you an opportunity to provide information to the court.
I gave him everything.
Miss Erickson, you need to stop talking over people.
A mother was ordered last January to have a mental health assessment and shared documents with dad in order to create an initial parenting plan. However, the mom dragged her feet all year and has a million excuses why she isn't doing what was ordered. Now it's December and the judge has had enough of her antics.
Here's the problem.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. It sounds like you're doing what you need to do, but you're doing it at the very last possible moment, and frankly, after the deadline. And I don't have this evaluation. I'm going to absolutely take Miss Winkle's word for it that the hair panel.
I promise you I have.
I'm talking right now.
I'm sorry.
We don't, but we had trial on the 26th. All this stuff was due last week. We are on for a review on the 19th. This stuff needs to be into the court and filed and provided to Miss Winkles by the end of today.
Okay.
The judge ordered her to send all the remaining required files, as she stated. However, in the next hearing, the judge found out that nothing was received again.
I set this over 1 week to allow some information to be filed by Miss Erickson. Nothing has been filed.
I filed things. What? Nothing's been filed. I filed things. I filed everything in there. I filed everything.
That doesn't work for me. I don't know how much more.
May I say something?
I'm talking, and when you keep interrupting me, I can't tell you how frustrating that is. I've had that conversation with you so many times. I don't interrupt you.
We had to go through so many contempts, so many things just to get here, that I am concerned that my client will be back in court next week.
Hey, Miss Erickson.
Sorry.
You need to stop talking over people. No one can hear anything. We've gone through this before.
There's only so much we can do. I've tried to be incredibly helpful. I called, her counselor. I said, this is what we need. He said, fine, have her call me. I told her, call him. He can help you out. To the best of my knowledge, I've received nothing that's collateralized. This is from May of this year. It's no changes.
And having to be dragged back and forth because we're still not getting what we need is very frustrating for me because I want what's best for the child, and we're not able to do that right now because I've not received anything from Ms. Erickson since way prior to the actual trial that we had.
After all the chances the judge has given the mother throughout the year, her patience ran out. She then decided to give her the harsh reality check she needed a long while before.
I'm extremely frustrated. I don't want to suggest at this point that Miss Erickson is a bad person, a bad mother.